Let Mama make the bed.
No.
Mervin, do not summon Bagagua.
Don't summon Bagagua.
Merv, you're gonna get the jiggles.
Jiggle, 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 jiggle.
There we go.
Jiggle, jiggle.
Merv. Merv, that's not ham. You're gonna keep hurting Mama. Merv, you're gonna wash your buns. I'll teach you how to do it yourself. Yeah, like a bed. Oh, jeez. All right, let's turn it on. And look what you have. It's water. Yeah. So you take a little water and you wash down toward the tushy buns. Get them nice and fluffy and you rub it in. Then you turn off the water and you're all done. Merv. Merv, your bath is ready. Merv, you're stinky. It's been weeks. Smell your toe beans. Okay, Merv, I'm closing the door and counting to 2. 1, 2. It's time for your bath. Merv, Charles is coming. He's gonna be here in like 5 minutes. Merv, take your bath. Merv, I have your smelly bird. Merv. Oh, Merv. Merv. I'm so hungry I could eat Bagagua. Oh, Merv. Oh, Merv. Merv, can you fold your underpants for me? Merv, you just literally pick it up and fold it and put it away. Merv, that's sarcastic.
Are you sarcastic?
No, it's sarcastic. Look at Mama's perfect pile. Merv, I see you. Practice on your wispy. No, don't say that. Merv, don't look at me. I didn't say.
Wait for it.
I'm sorry. Merv, come out and see your Christmas gift. Merv, guess who brought you a squanch? I don't know. Merv, I think the butternut squanch is from Santa Bagagua. It's from Santa. Okay, it's from Charles. Merv, come here. Merv, don't hurt Mama. Merv, have you been keeping track of your pad thai? Mama's in your room eating it. She's eating it. Not eating anything. Got some Bagagua. Merv, you want pad thai? Chanel, can you order some more? Okay. Love you. Merv, we're going to Ohio. Oh, Merv. Merv. Look at Mama.
Merv, look at Mama. We're going to Ohio. Merv.
Merv, you gotta pack your underpants.
Pack 'em, girl.
Ohio's great. Oh, she's... Merv, you can't...
Look at Mama.
Merv and Cumberland Weems, we see your shape. Don't summon Bagagua! Merv, look at her.
Seriously, look at me.
Look at your mama.
Merv, look at Merv. Look at Mom. Merv, look at Mom.
Oh, there's your underpants. Okay. Merv, your behive's leaving. Oh my god. Merv, your behive that you watch in your tree. It's going. Your sky raisins.
Yes.
Yes, wait.
Other side.
They're smoky sky raisins. Mervin. Merv, do you want to help him? Merv, your bees are getting a new home. Oh, careful. Who is it? A Charles! Oh, Merv. Merv, is that your bee man? What if he comes over? Merv, what were you doing last night? Oh, it smells like you had a party over here. It's stinky. Merv, I know Charles was here. Yeah. Merv, your room is a mess. You can't just clean it now. I know when Charles has been here. Merv.